Okay, let's look at adding tens and units. In other words, just two columns, but this time with a carry. The reason why we carry is when a number adds up to, or when the answer to two numbers is more than one digit. So let us look at the first one here. Let's start with our units column. 3 plus 7 comes to 10. 10 is two numbers written next to each other, so we're going to write the unit of the 10 down, which is the 0, and we're going to carry the 1 of the 10 to the next column. Now we're going to add the tens column up. 1 plus 5 is 6. Then you hold that 6 in your head that you've come to with the first two added up, and you add the 3 in. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, right, so I won't say as many words in the next sum. Just remember, we add this one in as part of that column. Okay, right, so now not to complicate it by talking so much in the next one, let us start with our units column first, like normal. 3 plus 9 is 12. We write the 2 of the 12 down, and we carry the 1. Okay, now we're going to do our tens column. And the tens column, we're going to add that 1 in. So 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus another 1 is 10. You write the full 10 in the front here. Your answer is 102. Okay, let's look at the next one. Units column first. 6 plus 6 is 12. We write the 2 of the 12. We carry the 1. Do you see that this is 12 here? Okay, 1 and 2 next to each other, okay, except it's written up at the top there. So we're always going to write the unit of the 12 down and then carry the 1 to the next column. Now we're going to do our tens column. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. You write the full 13 in the front, so your answer is 132. Okay, let's look at the last one on the screen. We have got here 9 plus 5. We know that comes to 14. We're only going to write the 4 down under the units, and we're going to carry the 1 onto the tens. Okay, got it? Right, now we're going to add our tens up. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. We write the full 12 in the front. Your answer is 124. Okay. Let us look at a few more examples. Always the units first. Okay. 3 plus 7 is 10. There's 10. We're going to write the unit of 10 down, which is the 0 here. And we're going to carry the 1 to the next column. Okay. Right, now we're going to add up our tens. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. 70. Let's look at this one over here, starting with the units first. 2 plus 9 is 11. We write the unit down and we carry the next up. That's 11. 8. Sorry, let me just change my color. So we're going to do our tens column. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. We write the full 10 in the front. We end up with 101. Okay, let's look at the next one. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write the 0. We carry the 1. Now our tens column. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 3 is 10. We write the full 10. We get 100 as our answer. Okay, last one on the screen before we do some examples together to practice. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry a 1. Now our tens column, we're going to add up. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 4 is 10 again. So we have 100 as the answer there. Right. So here's a few examples now. I want you to press pause to copy them down on paper, because remember, maths only comes by practice. Maths is something you have to partake in. You can't just study it. The understanding comes with practice. So press pause, write these down on paper, find your answers, do the work, and when you've got your answers, come press play, and we will do the answers together, and hopefully you get them right. Right, okay, so I'm assuming you've done your work, you've pressed play. Let us look at the answers together. We begin with the units. 5 plus 6 is 11. We write 1, we carry 1. Now we do our tens column. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 is 11. You write the whole 11 in the front. Your answer is 111. Next sum. 5 plus 7 is 12. We write the 2, we carry the 1. Then we do our tens column. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. You write the full 11 in the front, and there's your answer, 112. Okay, second last sum, we're going to do the units first. As always, 6 plus 5 is 11. We write a 1, we carry a 1. Then 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Your answer is 121 for that one. Always write neatly so that you can see your workings, okay? If you write badly, you're not going to be able to keep track of all the numbers you've written down. 9 plus 3 is 12, so we write the 2. We carry the 1 of 12 to the next column. Then we do our tens column. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 2 is 11. And there's your answer. Okay, so that is carrying from the units column to the tens column. When you have an answer that's more than one digit, you carry the tens of the digit to the tenths column. Okay, we'll move on to carrying over 2 columns in our next lecture. I hope you understand it well. Well done.